pleased to offer multiple air suspension repair and replacement options for the 2010 to 2013 Land Rover Range Rover Sport Supercharged model. For vehicles that need a replacement air strut, Arnott offers new Arnott-designed struts. Arnott's completely new replacement struts offer the benefits of a comfortable ride and load leveling, but have brand new custom-valved shocks with 0 miles on them. In this video, we show how to install the Arnott designed and assembled new air strut for the front of the 2010 to 2013 Range Rover Sport Supercharged models. Front air strut removal. Removal step 1. Prepping for removal. Set the steering to straight ahead. Begin by disconnecting the battery. Use a platform that is capable of raising the body separately from the wheels. Lift the body at the lifting points prescribed by the vehicle manufacturer. Removal step 2. Wheel removal. Start by removing the wheel's lug nuts. Once the lug nuts are removed, carefully take off the wheel. Removal step 3. Disconnecting the air strut. Locate the wiring harness located behind the liner of the front wheel well. Carefully disconnect the wiring harness from the strut. Loosen and remove the 3 top mounting nuts. Loosen and remove the lower mount nut. Support the air strut and remove the lower mount bolt. Carefully lower the air strut to gain access to the airline. Removal step 4. Disconnecting the airline fitting. Unthread the air fitting. To remove the airline fitting, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Remove the air strut from the vehicle. Front air strut installation. Install step 1. Air strut installation and airline connection. Install the new air strut into the vehicle. Install the new airline fitting onto the air hose. Install the airline onto the air strut and tighten. Support the air strut and install the lower mount bolt. Reinstall and tighten the lower mount nut. Install and tighten the 3 top mounting nuts. Reattach the wiring harness to the strut. Install step 2. Wheel installation. Install the wheel and tighten all lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. Install step 3. Testing. Start the engine. Wait 2 minutes. Operate the raising function of the car's electronics. Initially lower the lifting platform slowly and only completely when the vehicle rises of its own accord. Check the air strut for leaks. It is strongly recommended that after this installation, the vehicle gets an alignment for better performance and safety.